guess what we might be doing today? Yes, causing a racket. That's what we're going to be doing. If you have a tennis racket, awesome. If you don't, we still have some awesome activities for you to practice, as well as terminology with the racket to learn and other skills that are great. If you have a tennis ball, that's great. A low pressure ball such as this, awesome. If not, you can use a green fuzzy ball or even a sock wrapped up. Okay, so those are the things that you will need today. And we're going to start with some movement activities first, because you know it's very important we always warm up our body before we begin. And let's make sure those ears are on. Whoop! And let's make sure our eyes are on so you can see what I'm doing. And we always make sure our mouth is so you know what's going on. All right, let's begin warming up. Let's do a little jog in place. Moving your arms, moving your legs, just a little jog. Tapping our straddle jumps. Just go out and in. Warming up our body. Star, pencil, star, pencil. Good job. We're doing it. And let's go back to our jog in place. Good. And let's put our 2 feet together and jump forward and back. Jump forward and back. Let's go side to side, 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 side. Wow, you're doing it. Let's do a little rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. A jump and twist, a jump and twist. Good job. Skiers, ski. Wow, we're almost done with our warm-up. I'm feeling good. Frankensteins. Wow. Good job. You did it. And let's play a little quick of one of my favorite games, Simon Says. Remember when Simon says for you to do it, you do it. But if Simon does not, you don't do it. Ready? Join me. Simon says, touch your shoulders. Simon says, touch your hips. Touch your head. Simon did not say. Let's do it again. Simon says, touch your elbows. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your toes. Simon says, touch your nose. Jump up and down. Simon did not say. Let's try it again. Simon says, touch your head. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your head. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your shoulders. Hop on one foot. Simon did not say. All right. So we're going to play another quick game. Red light, green light, yellow light. Remember when I say red light, you're correct. Frozen. When I say green light, what are we going to do? Jog in place, jog in place, jog in place. When I say yellow light, what are we going to do? Oh, slow motion. In place. Okay, let's go. Red light. Red light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Yellow light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Yellow light. Wow, good job. We're going to get a little bit in some tennis moves. We're going to be practice some quick burst of energy, side to side movement, just like all those famous tennis players. Does anybody know any tennis player? Any idea of anyone you could name right now? Maybe Roger Federer. He's a tennis player. All right, let's see how he practices. Let's practice some of the things he does. Slide shuffle. You're just going to shuffle one way. Shuffle to the other way. And we're just going to keep doing that. Shuffle, shuffle, and just side to side. Just shuffle. Good. We'll do this for 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That same move. Now we're going to go a little bit faster. We're going to quickly go to one way. And then we're going to quickly go to the other way. And we're just going to keep on doing that. All right, join me. Ready? quick, 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 and time. And now that we practice that, we're going to play a little game. When I point this way, you're going to slide, shuffle that way. When I point this way, you're going to slide, shuffle that way. Okay? You ready to join me? Let's focus, and let's watch where my hands go. Ooh, good job. Very tricky, isn't it? Unbelievable how tricky this is. Wow, good job. So now we're going to go a quick burst forward and a quick burst back. Okay? I'm going to show you, then you can do it with me. Forward, back, forward, back. Real quick in your space, whether you're outside, inside, or in a small area, it doesn't matter. Forward, back. All right? Ready? Join me. Let's go forward and back and forward and back. Wow, good job. And now we're going to play a new game with that. Okay? So now this time, we're going to practice shuffling, shuffling, okay? And then we're going to go forward and back. And then we're going to do shuffle, shuffle, forward and back. Join me. Ready? Go. Shuffle, shuffle, forward, back. Shuffle, shuffle, forward and back. One more time. Shuffle, shuffle, forward and back. Wow. Great tennis moves. So now this time, when I point to that direction, you go that direction. When I point to that direction, you go that direction. But this time, watch and see what I do. When I point to you, you go back. Okay? When I point to me, you go forward. Okay? I point to you, you go back. When I point to me, you move forward to me. All right? Let's play. Go back, go back. Forward, forward. Forward, forward. Wow, good job. That was a little tricky, but we were able to practice some of our tennis moves. All right, let's get started on a little bit of our coordination skills today. Now remember, you could have a sock or you could have a ball. Okay? I'm going to start playing some music and we're going to start going around our waist. Good job. We're just going to go around our waist. Let's go around our face. Around our legs. Good job. Around one leg. Around the other leg. And now high knees. Through. 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 Good job. Go through your legs. You're doing it. Let's see if we can do it for 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to take this ball and see if we can tap it back and forth between our feet. Okay? I'm going to show you and then we'll practice together. We're just going to take that and just tap, tap, tap while focusing on the ball. Ready? Let's go. Just tapping it back and forth, keeping control of that ball. Wow, pretty impressive. So now we're going to take this ball and we're going to see if we can toss it up just to eye level, okay? Eye level would be where your eye is. You're just going to toss it up and then catch it. And you're going to catch it with 2 hands, okay? Let's practice that. I'll play a little music. tossing it right to your eye. Okay? Ready? Let's do it again. Let's see if we can catch this ball 3 times before the music stops. Okay? Wow! High five. Thank you for practicing that with me. And now I want to know if we can beat that score. So now let's see if we can get 5. Guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie world. Could wake up and make up and they dumb. Good. We're practicing our skills. Now if you're outside or on the floor that you can do this in a safe area, you can take this ball and start practicing bouncing the ball on the floor and catching it with 2 hands. Okay? Now, I'm going to bounce it where it comes right back to me. Bounce. Or so I thought. So now we're going to try that again. Bounce, catch, bounce, catch, bounce, catch, okay? So it's very important that this ball stays where you can catch it, okay? So this is working on a little bit more of your ball control. Join me. It seems like I need some serious practice too, so let's go. Pretending that I need a boy when I don't really need a boy. I know. Wow, okay, so now that we practiced it, you know what time it is. It's game time. And when game time is, when I play music, you're going to drop the ball and catch it. When the music stops, you're going to put it underneath your chin. Okay, we're going to practice that skill. So when the music plays, we're going to do what? Bounce and catch. When the music stops, we're going to do what? Put it underneath our chin. Good job. Let's practice. Wow, you are doing it. Good job. So now we're going to add something to this, and that will be our tennis racket. If you have a tennis racket, cool. If you don't have a tennis racket, you can still watch and learn a little bit of terminology so when the opportunity comes and you might be in a tennis class or get a tennis racket, you know exactly what the terms of the racket are, making it easier for you to start learning. So, let's prepare. This right here is the Secret Zapper. Bzzz. This right here is the Grip. Hello, racket. That's what we do. Let's try it again. Hello, racket. This is the throat of your racket. This is the head of your racket. And this is the face of your racket. Okay, so we're going to play a quick game. Where's the Secret Zapper? Where's the throat of your racket? Where's the head of your racket? Where's the face of your racket? Where's the grip of your racket? Good job. We're going to play that game one more time. Where's your Secret Zapper? Where's the throat of your racket? Where is the face of your racket? Where's the head of your racket? Where is the grip of your racket? Wow, good job. Okay, so now we're going to play a little game. And this right here, you can see, this is closed face. And watch what I do. Whoa, 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 whoa. Open face. Closed face. Open face. Okay, so I'm going to say closed face, and you're going to do this. If I say open face, you're going to do that. Sounds pretty easy, so join me. Closed face. Open face.